2001 Ford Mustang 4.6 liter GT. Really nice car, really built. Got long tube headers, high flow cats, 2.5 inch system. What we got done on it, we did 2.5 inch. It's got the long tube headers before and high flow cats right there. Then we completed it with 2.5 inch all the way back into right there, and right there also into 4-inch black tips there and there. He just wanted it to breathe more and do whatever it does. True duals all the way back right there, and tailpipes and tips, 4-inch tips. Ford Mustang 4.6 liter built. Like always, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. We appreciate everything you guys do for us. True dual. Much better. Guys, his face says it all. Bro, go ahead again. 122 on the sound decimal, bro. Go ahead and back it out and sing. We do what we do best. It's got a really nice stance to it too. That's just dirty. That's just dirty, bro. That is just wow. Again? Oh my God. Let's guys here on the inside. Ford Mustang 2001. True dual, 2.5 inch straight pipe, long tube headers, high flow cats, air intake, built. Too much to list. All I know, this sounds mean and really nicely done. I like that. I like the stripes on it. That's a perfect color scheme. Oh! That's awesome. Look at that trail. That's awesome.